Navin Group was founded in 1986, starting with the dealership of Ingersoll Rand. Subsequently, in the next 35 years, we have added 9 more dealerships. And today, we have more than 200 employees and 1,000 plus customers. We have the privilege of being one of the oldest running dealership in construction equipment industry in central India. Been in relationship with Volvo Construction Equipment for past 13 years. It has been a partnership of mutual respect and growth. We look forward to take the Volvo brand ahead in times to come with a stronger presence in the market.
This new facility has motivated my team to deliver better services to my customers.
The vision of Navin Group is to provide joy for our customers. We are stepping up our digitization capabilities so that we can create smarter systems and seamless processes. This will help us establish Navin Group as a leading solution provider in this industry.
The new training facility is helping me in increasing competency and skills of my sales and service team.
Our employees live by our core values, which revolve around innovation, integrity, open-mindedness and responsibility. And we take pride in the fact that we have created an atmosphere of trust and enthusiasm for our employees.
Since the time we have moved to this new office, we feel more energized and happy to work here.
This well-planned warehouse helps us to deliver faster.
Our growing partnership with various stakeholders has been a catalyst in creating this new facility.